always for the propulsion of rasa throughout your body, the role of Agni is very important. So maintain your Agni. Which is the simple most process by which you can maintain your Agni? Again it is Vyayama. The advantage of Vyayama is that Vyayamam can increase your Agni Ushna Gunair Vina. Because Deepana Bhajana Aushadas need Ushna Guna to increase your Agni. But Vyayama is the process which is the only process which will increase your Agni without Ushna Guna. That's why it is much useful in Prameha. Because Prameha, continuous use of Ushna Guna is not that much useful. That's why every time Acharya is mentioning about do Vyayama, because Vyayama can increase your Agni without Ushna Guna. So don't forget it. That is Agni. Then Ahara Vihara. The quality of Ahara and Vihara has enormously been changed in our particularly in Kerala. All the top loading food patterns of Keralites has been changed. Okay, we have been using fermented food products and dairy products mainly, and now it has been changed to Lays, Porota. Okay, the quality of rasa is the most important factor that determines the formation of ama. So once the quality has been changed, it is severely that will affect our body. Okay, next comes the vada. The control and regulation of vada. The maintenance of vada is very important. And you see that certain food items like all Sniktha and Ushna Guna drugs or Ushna Guna Aharas or Aushadas, whatever on continuous use is not indicated, because once there is Abhishanda because of Sniktha and Ushna Guna, this Vada, the propulsion of Vada is not sufficient in your body. That will cause Vada Vritti Janita Rogas, and again the process will be enhanced for Srodogada Ama. And Koshta and Shaha. Of course, we always forget about the Koshta. We are handling our Koshta in a very poor way. We don't have any typical food pattern. So to maintain a typical food pattern is very important to maintain a healthy Koshta. Next. So above all these things, see, we have Deepana Bhajana Aushadas, we have Shodhana Chikitsa, everything is there. But why Rasayana has so much of importance in Ama Chikitsa or in any dosha Chikitsa, in any Roga Chikitsa? Because of this. Rasa Ayana, the term itself, that it will maintain the proper propulsion of rasa throughout your body. Once the propulsion of rasa is hindered in anywhere in your body, that is what is called disease. Vyanayana rasata durga vikshepa uchita karmana, the sloga is there in your mind. So whatever may be the disease condition, whatever may be the disease, whether it is a hyperplastic disease or a hypoplastic disease, or whether it is a sandarpanajanya vyadhi or abhadarpanajanya vyadhi, the basic pathology lies in the fact that rasa is hindered or the nutrients are mismanaged in somewhere in your body. The constant mismanagement of a nutrient in somewhere in your body will hinder or will affect the propulsion of your, will affect the srodhas itself. That will cause further diseases. So the rasa ayana always depending upon the quality of rasa. Okay, right? So the proper ahara and vihara are necessary. Then comes the maintenance of Agni. Maintain your Agni properly. Then comes integration of Srodhas. The major role of Vyayama is that will help to integrate your Srodhas. And again the same Vyayama will definitely destruct your Srodhas itself also. So the integration of Srodhas is the next things. Then channelized and Anilomida Vada. These are the major things. Rasayanas, majority of the Rasayanas, you take any of the Rasayanas, all Rasayanas are Srodho, Shodhana and Nidipana. That's why Rasayanas are gaining high acceptance in this world. Because all the, whether it is hypoplastic diseases or hyperplastic diseases, Sandarpanajanya Vyadhi, the fundamental problem is handling Rasa is there. Next. So, identification of Sama, Dosha, Dhadu, Lakshanas are important in Chikitsa. Okay. When we coming to this auditoria, the students of this college have made beautiful illustrations of the Lakshanas of Ama. Srodho Rodham, it is there. Balabhramsham is there. There is a patient with emaciation. And Anila Mudhatvam is there. Gauravatvam of the stomach is there. Apakti is there. Apaga of ahara is there. See, when you look into all the chronic diseases, whatever disease I have explained here, when you look into all of these diseases, all these lakshanas are common. You take cancer, there is emaciation. You take udaram, there is emaciation. You take pandu, there is emaciation. So the fundamental lakshanas of any disease is coming from ama, whether it is Koshtagada or Shakhagada. Trayobastamba and Vyayama have key role in the prevention of ama. Maintenance of Traya Upastamba, Aharam, Nidra and Brahmacharyam. Proper Brahmacharyam is also, why Brahmacharyam? Because for a generation having a positive health, proper maintenance of Gramya Dharma is important. So Aharam, Nidra, Brahmacharyam along with Vyayama is the key thing to prevent ama and prevent Srodhorodha and prevent Agnimandyam. Okay. Shodhana Chikitsa eliminates ama, while Rasayana Chikitsa corrects the disrupted Srodhas. That is the advantage of Rasayana Chikitsa. Rasayana Chikitsa not only kills the pathology, the fundamental pathology in any disease, but it also corrects the disrupted Srodhas or disrupted Dhadus. That's why it is Labho Upayohi Shastanam Rasadinam Rasayana. The Rasayana Guna, all other Rasayana Guna you can attain. Chiracha Bhagam Vaisa Karavdi is not explained in Rasayana, it is explained in Shodhana Chikitsa. In Shodhana Chikitsa itself is equivalent to Rasayana, but the only one difference Rasayana is having is Srodha Shodhana property and the revitalization of Srodhas after a chronic disease condition. So that is Shodhana Chikitsa eliminates ama, while Rasayana Chikitsa corrects disrupted Srodhas. Next. Wish you all a beautiful ama Chikitsa. Okay, next slide. Thank you. I think why I have stick on to a very fundamental and very basic thing, because there is not much time. And the next thing is that I hope there is 3 papers coming. They have sent me the abstract and they have beautifully covered all the aspects of ama. So I have never crossed my limit into their papers. So awaiting their response, sir. Okay. Thank you for patient listening. I think it is a little bit difficult for me to explain all those things. Okay. Still, thank you for patient listening. Thank you very much.